everyone, it's Joy and welcome back to QMake Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, due to the bearish market sentiment, the China steel market maintained its downward trend. At first on Tuesday, the approaching typhoon on the west coast of Australia temporarily halted the decline of steel prices, as it may affect the shipment of iron ore from the port of Heilongjiang. However, the overall trend of ample iron ore supply and weak demand has not changed, and thereby it wasn't able to make a real impact on steel prices. Furthermore, the latest released CPI and PPI for March in China were significantly lower than expected, indicating possible signs of deflation in the Chinese economy. Some market players believe that those are signs of deflation in the Chinese economy, which also undermined confidence in the recovery of steel demand. Next, let's take a look at the production and consumption aspects. In a nutshell, steel production continues to increase, but demand is still lagging behind. The apparent demand for Chinese steel only increased by 18,000 tons this week, while in the previous years, the normal peak season demand was generally between 11 and 12 million tons. On the other hand, steel inventory only decreased by 200,000 tons this week, which means the destocking is slower than normal rates during the typical peak seasons as well. For the next week's demand, we still hold a bearish view. For the foreseeable future, iron ore still faces significant pressure from both the regulatory and the supply-demand perspectives, and the price is expected to continue to decline significantly, possibly falling below $100. And as for steel demand, there hasn't been much positive factors considering all the factors stated above. But that doesn't mean we should give up hope. It's important to stay informed and keep an eye on the recovery of the Chinese economy, such as the sales of volumes of commercial housing, the funding situation for infrastructure construction, and the possible support of monetary and fiscal policies for economic development in the future. There are all key indicators that can give us a better sense of future trends. Well, what's your anticipation for the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye.